There's fintech, there's medtech, there's edtech, and pretty much every other type of tech you can think of. But what's ConTech? Similar to the others, ConTech is a mashup of construction and technology. It is often used as a shorthand to refer to innovation, digital transformation, and the adoption of new technologies and processes within construction and the built environment. Essentially, it's all about transforming the construction industry and bringing it into the 21st century. Forbes defines it as the technology used to innovate the way we plan, design, and build structures, as well as the manufacture and installation of their components. So what actually comes under the ConTech umbrella? Well, at a high level, you have digital tools and processes such as BIM, digital twins, and computational design. Then you have AI and data-driven tech. This includes predictive planning, maintenance, and generative design. There's also robotics and automation, which include things like drones, 3D printing, and autonomous equipment. Immersive technologies like VR and AR are transforming design reviews and training. You have wearables and sensors that are transforming the site environment and how teams interact with what they're building. Then there's modular and off-site construction. There's sustainability technologies, including carbon tracking, smart energy systems, and innovations in materials. Finally, you have blockchain, the metaverse, and cybersecurity interacting with the ConTech space. Ultimately, ConTech is not just one single technology. It is an ecosystem of tools and processes that work together to transform how projects are delivered. And it's not just changing how we build, but also what we build. Data center construction is exploding thanks to the AI boom. The life sciences industry is seeing a surge in new lab and R&D facilities, and modularity and manufacturing methods are already influencing how architects and engineers approach design. So in summary, ConTech is where innovation, technology, and the built environment meet. In the next video, we'll be looking into why construction has been so slow to adopt new technologies and what, if anything, has changed now.